Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Monday afternoon, June 17th. We're looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and the NQ. Hopefully this is working. Mr. Technology had to figure out after some updates on OBS why it wasn't working. So I am hoping that this is going to work. Anyway, what an impressive day for the bulls. Whether you back adjust, whether you don't back adjust, ES blew through a daily balance out of an inside day to the upside. We have all-time highs in ES, SPY, SPX, NQ, triple Qs, and the NASDAQ composite. Uncharted territory once again. ES goes out with a 4 distribution day. NQ goes out with a triple distribution day. And righty, which started with a trend day down, ends up with a trend day up and an outside day up as they put the daily back to balance and take back the gap from Friday. What's the one thing missing? Still volume. But this bull is truly, truly impressive as all 3 time frames are up. Had a good day. Didn't do a lot on these grinds up. Participated a little bit, but not as much as I would like. To start off, ES, I did take a long to front run the overnight low. They ended up getting it. I took it off basically for scratch. I think I lost very small on that. I did take a short in A period in NQ to get the overnight low, as it looked like after ES got it and they were pushing, and that turned out to be a nice trade. Then I took a short in B period. Now, once we got the overnight lows, I told the room, even though we have overlapping higher value in ES and higher in NQ at that point, getting that overnight low to me initially was important. Boy, oh boy, did that go out the window. But I did take a short against both the open and then the 144 in NQ and B period that I got paid on. But then I changed to the long side. B to pop A's high. That worked. ES I took a long in B to get the overnight POC. That worked. The only loss I had was in C period in NQ. I thought we would pop B's high. Pulled back. I took it off like a 12-point loss on that. But I made up for it in D period. Right before the turnover, you could feel the momentum building. So I jumped on a long on a 3-lot in NQ, and boom, it exploded to the upside. So that was nice. I longed ES against the ebb and flow with the single prints. Then I didn't do anything to I and K period. I took a long in I period in NQ as the market just kept grinding up. So long the ebb and flow there, and again in K period I did, and NQ also against the one-time framing up. They finally gave some back late, but they hold. ES holds 5 sets of single prints. NQ holds, I think it's 4. No, they hold 5 also. 5 sets of single prints. So a quadruple distribution day for ES and a triple distribution day for NQ. A double distribution day for the righty. Now, as far as destinations go, SPY's all-time high is 548.53. Then we have single prints, 546.73 to 55. Another set, 546.30 to 545.91. Next set, 545.15 to 544.03. That's the largest one, over $1. And then 543.47 to 542.99. And then our first one, which is our tiniest, 542.93 to 89. And today's low of 541.61. In ES, today's all-time high is 61. Single prints, 44 to 41. Next set, 38.50 to 34.75. The large set, 26.50 to 15 and a quarter. 09 and a quarter to 04.50. And then 05.50 to 03. Today's low is 89.75, and then the rollover gap gets filled all the way down to 54.38.50. So then let's go to the charts now. So I'm going to show you a couple of them since I wasn't here late Friday and the video didn't work this morning. So here's the S&P. Monthly up. Very healthy. Weekly up. One time framing up 3 weeks. Daily explodes out of an inside day and a 3-day balance up. Now again, the volume's not good, 55 million, but certainly not as bad as it's been. Qs and NQ, everything's up. Monthly, weekly, and daily prior today was up. Right? Daily went from down to balance to up, gap. Balance, up, gap. Continuing up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 days. They're one time framing up on the daily. And then the Russell, monthly is a double inside month right now. Balance. I'm calling it a 6-month balance. The weekly is down. So even with this nice turnaround today, the daily is up, outside day up. I'll use it as a 2-day balance. So if we take out today's high tomorrow, I'll call the daily up. If we take out today's low tomorrow in IWM, it would be back to down. So the only thing missing from this market is volume. But it's only one part of the equation. Keep that in mind as people continually try to pick tops. Thank you for liking and subscribing to this channel. Hope you had a good day trading. Enjoy your evening, and we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.